Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today's video is probably going to be the last update in my IPL series. So y'all stay tuned if y'all want to see the results. Okay, so like I said, this may be the final update in my IPL series. I'm not sure unless I notice something super cool that I want to show you guys. If you guys have not checked out my first IPL videos, I'll have them linked above and below for you guys. The first video is kind of just what IPL is, what it does, the product that I ordered, a short demo for you guys, and some kind of check-in as well. And then my second video is the check-in after my 12 sessions and how that went and the results that I'm getting from that. And then this video is kind of where I'm at now. I don't even know what session I'm on. It's way past 12 sessions. So this is where I'm at now in December of 2020. And I just want to show you guys some really cool results. So again, check those videos out first and then come back here and check out this final one. I don't know. I may do another one for you guys. Don't hold me to it. So let's get into some of the things that I noticed. So this is my leg. This is after 5 weeks of growth. As you can see, little hair right there, little hair right there, tiny little hair. 5 weeks of growth, and these hairs aren't even super long either. And there's so few of them. Like, I still have my follicles, obviously, but like this is smooth, no hair. You can see that little hair right there. Smooth hairs, I mean smooth skin. That's crazy. So it's been about 5 weeks because I haven't really been focused on my legs for the IPL. And as you can see, I haven't shaved in like 5 weeks, I guess. Little hair right there. That is crazy. I can literally like count the hairs on my leg. So definitely worth it. So if you can see right here, this dark spot on my left arm is eczema. I've suffered from eczema my whole life. It's fine. It comes and goes as it pleases. It usually pops up when I'm super stressed, and it decided to pop up on my left arm here. It's fine because once it goes away, it also takes that dark mark and it just kind of looks like it's never been there. But obviously through a pandemic, one would be super stressed about various things. So my eczema decided to pop up right here on my left arm. And it has been here for the past few months just because I've been super stressed. But it's great because I noticed something about a week ago. When I do my IPL, I tend to avoid these areas just because the skin is super sensitive. It's kind of inflamed sometimes, it's itchy, it's dry. So I don't want the IPL, which can be warm, sometimes hot, flashes. I didn't want that to irritate that skin. So I tend to avoid the areas with eczema. And so last week I noticed the areas where I didn't do the IPL, obviously the hair is like thicker, it's longer, there's more hair coming out of each follicle versus the area where I do the IPL. This is about 4 weeks of growth because I haven't done the IPL on my arms for about 4 weeks. So you can see these little hairs, they're not super long. There's way less of them. I hope you guys can see that. I hope my camera focuses so that you guys can see very clearly. So this is the IPL area where I've done the IPL for over 12 sessions. You can see that there's way less hair in each follicle, and the hairs that are there are not very long, they're not very thick, versus this area, hopefully you guys can see, super long hairs. They're like all over this area. Not many follicles are missing hairs versus this area where it's just the follicle and no hair coming out. So I thought that was so cool just to see that side-by-side result. Hopefully this encourages you guys and you can actually see for yourself the difference. So I don't know about you guys, but those results are so dope to me. I'm so excited. It's definitely worth every penny I spent. I think it was about like 69, 70 bucks plus shipping. I don't remember. Definitely worth every penny. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm not making money off of this as far as this product. I just found it online and decided to buy it for myself, and I'm so glad I did. I'll have everything linked below for you guys, of course. I know a lot of people were saying that they didn't see like brown skinned people being able to try out the IPL on YouTube and stuff like that. So I hope this helps you guys out. When I was doing my research for IPL, I didn't see a lot of brown people or brown skinned people trying out IPL at home. So I hope this helps you guys out. For us brown males and females out there, y'all can work with the IPL. Like I said, it works with the skin tone and the hair color. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out my first video. I talk a lot about that and the different skin tones and the claims on the website and all that kind of stuff. So check out that video if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I wanted to answer a couple questions and things that I saw in my other videos. One of them being the bikini area. You can use IPL on your bikini area, but it hurts. It hurts so bad, I'm not even gonna lie. Just like my armpit area, in my personal experience, that hair is like thicker, coarser, and sometimes there's even like 2 hairs coming out of one follicle. So that area is, it's not as thin and as fine as the hair on like my legs or my arms. So I'm not seeing results as fast, but I am seeing results, as I mentioned in my update video. I am seeing results in my armpit area, but the bikini area, y'all, I haven't been able to go past, I think a 2, I think I do like a 1, maybe level 2. I don't think I've ever been on a 3 because that area is sensitive and that will burn you. So y'all be careful. Again, it's up to your pain tolerance, all the pain that you can take. That is between you and your skin and your IPL. You can use the IPL on your bikini area. I just haven't talked about it that much because like I said, I'm not seeing that great of results, but there are results. So I know that it's just gonna be slower because I'm using a lower level, and just that area is so sensitive. You have to be careful. So yeah, you can use it, just be careful. Be careful. Some other questions about the IPL was if I was using it on my KP area, like the area on the back of my arms with the dark spots and everything. I use the KP on, I don't really have a lot of hair up here on my arms, so I don't use it as often, but when I do use it, I notice it doesn't affect the KP or the discoloration. I know that you can go to like a dermatologist or clinic or something like that to get IPL, like a stronger IPL for like acne scars, discoloration, and that will help lighten it. This IPL is not that strong. It's not gonna help with like lightening acne scars and anything like that. The IPL machines that they use in those clinics and those doctors' offices are way stronger. So yeah, for me personally, I haven't seen any lightening of dark spots while using this IPL. If anything, I've burnt myself and caused more dark spots than seeing any lightening of dark spots. So y'all be careful because that glass gets hot and it does burn you. Like I said in my other videos, the IPL laser doesn't burn you, or the light doesn't burn you. It's the hot glass. So be careful with that. But yeah, I haven't seen any lightening of dark marks or anything while using the IPL. I know a lot of people were interested in that, but no, you got to go somewhere where their machines are way stronger to see any results like that. And I don't know if it was super clear about having eczema and using the IPL. I don't use the IPL on my spots where I have eczema, just to play on the safe side. I haven't noticed any irritation to my eczema or anything like that. So if you do have like eczema on your face and you want to do the IPL on your face, or you have it anywhere else on your body and you want to do the IPL, that is something personal that you're gonna have to try out for yourself. I just don't use it for me. And like I said, I've seen people get the professional IPL done for like eczema, acne scars, stuff like that. I just don't use it for me, if that makes any sense. Like I said in my clip, when my eczema clears up, I'm gonna go back and even up those spots, but I don't use it on the eczema that I have now, just to be on the safe side. And a lot of people ask about the shaving process before the IPL. So that is a part of the process. You do shave, and that light or laser is going to be attracted to that hair, and it's going to shoot down into that follicle and basically destroy the follicle over time. So you do have to shave beforehand, including your face. People were asking about shaving their face, and that wasn't a problem for me because I do that anyway. It's called dermaplaning, where you take like the razor or the scalpel if you go get it done by a professional, and they literally just shave that layer of dead skin and just like all that stuff. They shave it off of your face, and you tend to glow afterwards. Your products are going to absorb better because that whole layer of like dead skin is gone. So I did that anyway, so it wasn't a problem for me to shave my face before doing the IPL because I do the IPL like on my sideburns, my lip of course, and then just kind of like areas where I don't want like the little hairs. So that wasn't a problem for me, but yes, you're going to have to shave the area that you do your IPL on before you do the IPL, because If your hairs are too long and they're kind of like laying on the skin, that could burn you because the light or the laser is trying to attach to that hair and it's laying on top of your skin. So you definitely have to shave first. That is part of the process. So yeah, I hope that cleared anything up for you guys. A lot of people also asked about the products or like skincare products that you can use while using the IPL. So for me, in my personal experience, as y'all know, we have to shave before you do this process. So obviously I'm in the shower, I'm shaving, I've shaved or dermaplaned my face. The only thing that I use is my lotion. So I don't want to mix any products or any chemicals or anything because I don't know if they're gonna affect the light negatively. I just don't know. So I get out the shower, I lotion my body down because I don't want my skin to be dry and like irritated. And then for my face, I only use my moisturizer because that's like face lotion. So when I do the IPL, it's usually on my self-care Sunday. I'll get in the shower, I'll shave, I'll have my favorite TV show on or listen to some music or an audiobook or something like that. And I just sit down and I do my IPL. So it's not a big inconvenience. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not putting on a face of makeup. I just hop out the shower, do my IPL, and then I'll go on about my day. If I need to put on my skincare and my makeup afterwards, it's perfectly fine. It doesn't affect anything. So I hope this little check-in update was helpful for you guys. If you know anyone that could benefit from this, don't forget to share this video, like this video. It helps my channel out so much. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm also on TikTok right now, guys, and that is a lot of fun. I didn't think I'd be having as much fun as I am on there. So follow me over there. Follow me on my other social media. I'll have that all linked down below for you guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.